Hey y'all, this is Diva One coming to you with an unboxing today. As you can see, I've already opened it. I got this box a week ago, and it's a Mother's Day box for my oldest daughter, Monica. Miss Monica Cable, KB. Ooh, Mrs. Monica KB. You will find her on YouTube at the KBs. Is she and her husband Keith, and they do have a YouTube channel. Um, which color is this? Pink. Okay. This is the first one here. I'm trying to make sure I've got it right. Yeah, a magenta V-neck shirt. Yep, backwards. As you can see, and I love this color. Pink is always good. My favorite color is purple, but pink and purple go really good. And then I have this pretty blue in the same style as the pink shirt. Yeah, also V-neck. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in there. So you see I've got pink and blue shirts and this little funny thing here. Now I made a mistake when I got out the box and pushed the wrong button, but isn't that cute? You seen the little commercial on TV with the little boy sending this to his grandpa saying, "I love you, grandpa." Now, there's a button here. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. See? Let me see. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Yeah, that is so cute. I love this. And of course, I will keep this for a lifetime. Like I said, this was my Mother's Day gift, and I appreciate it. And see, I keep my stuff. I don't throw it away. I've got to learn how to get him out of the box, and I want to keep him in this box like this. But we'll get it. Even if I had to wait until she gets here to do it. But it's good to have loving children. You all saw my other Mother's Day gift that the rest of my daughters, my other daughter and my youngest daughter, Stephanie Diva 2, TOO, gave me for Mother's Day with my Victoria's Secret and all that she gave me. But I wanted to show you this and let you know that it's good to be a mother. These are the rewards you get when you're a mother, and after they grow older, yeah, you get little things like this. Most people say, "Well, I don't want that. I don't want no toy." This is not a toy. This right here, I love it. This is Diva One saying, "This right here, I love it." This is Diva One saying, "Have a great day." Have a great day. Bye-bye.